evening and welcome to a haunted house. I'm Star. In today's video we are doing a birthday party for two people, my father-in-law and my little sister. It will be a beach theme and like nautical theme party. So we'll show you how we put everything together. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below, and like this video. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Happening in here. Hi, Tiffany. This is my sister-in-law, Tiffany, and my mother-in-law. Say hi, Carice. Hi. This is Carice. This is David's brother's girlfriend. We are working on making a balloon garland. We are blowing up the balloons with this, what is this called? Like a portable?
Yeah, balloon blower.
Balloon blower.
Balloon Buddy.
Balloon Buddy from Party City. And you can also get ones from Amazon that can blow up more than one at a time. And so now we're just putting the balloons together and tying them together in a knot. And we're doing this before we try to construct them together into a garland. And we hope that it turns out okay, because this is both of our first time trying to do this. So wish us luck. So I took those long, thin balloons and used it to tie the balloon pairs to one another to start to create the garland. This was very tricky in the beginning and I was getting a little frustrated, but it started to come together. I was so excited when it started to look like something. So for the garland, I wanted to do a color blocked look with vibrant beachy colors. Look how long this thing got to be. It was so long. Okay, so to put it up, I used command hooks, and I also was able to use the curtain rods that I already had hanging up around my patio to tie the balloons to as well. So I just tied one of those long balloons to it, and I just used that to connect the anchor balloons on the garland to the command hook. Some of the balloons started to fall off when I started to manipulate the garland, so I just reconnected them to the garland or just to the area once I got the garland up. If you can like make it go over the fence.
The thing?
Yeah.
You okay? Okay.
Like a little bit over so you don't see fence over top.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a little bit. The table's going to be below it.
Straight? Is it straight?
Yes, now it's straight. That thing is long.
Yeah.
Look at that long backdrop. It looks so cute. Be cute.
Yeah. Do you want all? Do you want to try to get all of them in there?
You think that's better than trying to get them up there? Some of them up there.
We can. Yeah, I think we can fit some of them. So I think if I do maybe like 3 of them in here and then the rest in there, that should be fine.
Okay. How many are there?
There's 6.
So for the other decor, I just used other beach and nautical themed decor pieces as well, like this white and navy tablecloth. I will try to find that and leave a link to those in the description box as well. I thought these fans were really cute and practical for this party. I'll leave a link to them in the description box below if you like them. For my first balloon garland, I think it turned out pretty good. I would definitely give it another go when I have more time. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Give this video a like. Subscribe if you have not done so already. And until next time, Love Star.